9 million years ago, this dry lake bed was just above sea level, full of water and teeming with stickleback and other fish. Now, it sits above 4,000 feet, pushed up by the same geologic event that built the Sierra Nevada mountains. We are here today fishing for stickleback fish fossils.
Why do we study fossils?
We study fossils so we can learn about what life and the Earth's history was like thousands and millions of years ago.
What is a fossil? Fossils are traces of plants or animals preserved in rock.
To fish for stickleback fossils, you don't need any special equipment, but a table knife comes in handy to pry apart the thin layers of diatomite. Pulling apart the layers is also pretty easy with just your bare hands. Sometimes you are lucky right away, and other times you have to be patient, but all 96 graders that went on this trip came back with more than one fossil.
A dead stickleback fish lays at the bottom of the lake. The remains rot away except for the bones. Over millions of years, the bone rots away, leaving a hollow mold. Minerals sift through the cracks in the rock and fill in the hollow mold. Pressure over time hardens the bits of mineral into solid rock. What appears to be the fish's bones is actually a hardened mineral called apatite. How a cast or mold fossil is made.
This colorful clay represents soft dirt or mud. A shell gets stuck in the mud. Then over many years, the shell becomes covered with more dirt and mud. While buried, the shell slowly rots away. The hollow cast or mold fossil is left by the shell.
Is most spiny-backed fish found in the salt freshwater.
The fossils we found are from a stickleback fish that is extinct. Here are some examples of similar sticklebacks still found today. What is diatomite? Diatomite is a white soft brittle rock that is made up of diatom shell, microfossils, and clay. A microfossil is a fossil that can only be seen with a microscope.
These are samples of diatomite. You can easily grind it into powder with your hand.
Diatomite is used in toothpaste, metal polishes, and in filters.
What is Melisera?
Melisera is a type of diatom. Diatoms are delicate one-celled organisms or living things made of one small cell.
The Melisera diatoms in this picture are each one cell. To see them this well, they were magnified 3,500 times. This is one rib bone of a stickleback fossil. Notice the Melisera diatoms all around it.
Here are some other scenes from our day fishing for stickleback fossils.